Student ready for exam? Take notes, learn it, practice it, and subscribe my channel. Nitrobenzene, aniline. This is aniline hydrochloride and this is acetanilide. We have to see which is undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction faster. Electrophilic substitution reaction easily. So this NH2 group of B and here acetanilide NHCOCH3, they are electron donating group, so they will favor electrophilic substitution reaction because they are highly activating group, and this is highest activating as higher activating as compared to acetanilide group. Okay, so this will undergo fastest electrophilic substitution reaction. This is done for this question. Okay, but different type of question can be asked. That is why I will write down the order of them, as this type of question can also be asked. So aniline plus I effect increases electron density, plus M effect on this is also operating, ortho and para directing. Benzene, hence it favors electrophilic substitution reaction. NH2 group is electron donating group, so reaction faster because it activates the ring very easily, effectively. And when we are comparing C6H5 NHCOCH3 acetanilide, easier electrophilic substitution than this positively charged aniline chloride, we can say here it is aniline hydrochloride. Okay, so here since this NH3 is having positively charged, so it is strongly deactivating the benzene ring. That is why it is most unfavor, means it doesn't want to undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, so it is least reactive. You can say it is least reactive for the electrophilic substitution. Now you surprised why not nitrobenzene. Nitro group is also electron withdrawing group, and this NH3 group positively charged ammonium ion is also strongly electron withdrawing group, but this is NH3 positive carrying an ammonium ion which is attached to the ring is highly deactivating as compared to nitro. So this is least reactive towards electrophilic substitution as compared to nitro. So what will be the order then? See here, NH2 is most reactive, then followed by NHCOCH3. So this is highly activating group. This is less activating as compared to aniline group, but more deactivating as compared to these two. Nitrobenzene is less deactivated and this is strongly deactivated. What does it mean? This is electron withdrawing power of them is here in a case of NH3 positive, electron withdrawing power most, so it is least reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Here we are discussing electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic, you write down, okay, electrophilic